Hey everyone, KWolfe here with another tech video. In these tech videos, compared to the other motorcycle edits I do, I go over some of the gear that I use, whether it's my cameras for filming, my computers and everything to edit with. If I listen to music, what devices do I use, what technology I use when I'm working. Just anything that I use tech-wise, I'm reviewing it and giving you my honest opinion of it. And so maybe to give you some ideas. If you like it, like the video, give me a subscribe. And if you guys like them enough, I will keep doing these. So today, for our tech review, I'm doing the Bluedio HD BT 4.1 Bluetooth headset. I actually came across these on Amazon Prime Day, and thanks to Lou at Unbox Therapy, he had a discount on them. So these were like 89 bucks originally, I think, and I got them for around 56, 60 bucks roughly after tax and everything. Really nice. I haven't had a chance to really try them out, so this is kind of the first time. I just took the plastic off of the box, but I've looked at some other reviews and just before I even bought them, just to see what everyone says, and apparently they are supposed to be really nice as far as sound quality, comfortability. So we're gonna pop these open and see what we can come up with. As far as the presentation goes, really nice presentation. It's got a really nice HD look to them, so you can see exactly what they look like. Turn around to the back here, all the pieces that go into it as far as the technology and how they get that great sound quality allegedly out of them. Some info on the back in different languages, some more info on the other side in Japanese that I have no idea what it says. We'll go back to the front real quick. HD BT 4.1 headset, Bluetooth 4.1 low consumption, PPS 8 sound effect, 3D DSP sound effect, and aluminum titanium alloy. The only thing I understood out of any of that was aluminum titanium alloy. So let's pop these open. Now this slides off right here. I really like this box, nice textured quality. Bluedio, amazing life, their motto. So how do you open these? Doesn't push up. Oh, okay, oh. Magnets, I like that. Nice magnets right there. Open this up. Little plastic piece right here. Huh. Nice little carrying case. I kind of knew that already, but it's just weird to see it. Nice carrying case. Got Bluedio on it. Really heavy duty. Nice strap right here. Little carabiner. So the reason I bought these things, I'll step back a little bit. The reason I bought these things is I've had a set of skull candies forever. I got them for Christmas one year, and one of the pieces on the extensions, one of the plastic extension pieces, so it can fit better, broke on them. They still work, but they're just uncomfortable, and I hated having to deal with that. So when I came across these, thanks again Lou at Unbox Therapy, these seemed like a really good idea. So and I needed something for traveling, especially when I fly. I'm going to Chile here. If you haven't seen these videos before, I am going to Chile for work here in November. So I wanted to get something where I could just drown out sound, listen to what I wanted to, and not really have to hear anything else, compared to the Aftershokz Bluez 2S in front of the ear headsets. I did a review on these. You can check that up in the cards. And so I got these things, and let's see how they come out. Open this up right here. They fold up, which is, I really like that feature. So let's pull these out. I'll set them down right here. There's other stuff in here. A couple of cables. USB-C cable to charge these up. They also give you another cable, 3.5 millimeter. These are Bluetooth, but you can hardwire them in if you want to. So I'm just gonna set that down for right now. In the box right here, I didn't even look. Some literature. Tells you how to set them up, how to pair them, everything like that. Here we go. I really like the design of these. I really like how they fold up, so I can make them compact and collapse them really well. So let's undo these. Nice hinges, good solid build to them. I really like that. On the bottom right here on the right cup is the 3.5 millimeter jack. Sorry for my phone going off. This is on the left jack, left ear cup on the right, USB-C for charging. So let's power these things on. All right, so I have my phone right here, got the headset right here. Let's pair them up. Here on the center button, turn them on, power them on, enter into pairing mode, and also you can answer a phone call with these. Compared to the Bluez 2S where they have the microphone right here, These do not have a microphone, they are just a headset, so if you want to answer a call with these and listen through, you can, but you got to have your phone in close proximity so everyone can hear you. But skip forward a track, go back a track, volume up, volume down. Oh. You can hear that. That's really nice. That is really nice. These things, you know, good bass to them, but not a lot where it's blasting me apart. I kind of have an ear issue as it is. So, you know, really nice there. It's still got, you know, deep bass to it, but it's not overpowering. Man, these are really nice. I'm glad I got these things actually. Thanks again, Lou from Unbox Therapy for turning me on to these. You know, the loose hinging on here so you can get them exactly how you want to. They come apart. A lot of steps in there actually, a lot of hinge points in there, or a lot of catch points actually. You know, they fold up, easy control, easy use. Come with the case right here. I'm glad I got these. This is a great option. You can find them on Amazon. The link will be in the description down below, along with the link to these Aftershokz Bluez 2S in front of the ear headphones. I'm glad I got these. These are gonna be really handy when I go traveling here in a couple months and when I just want to listen to music, watch a movie, and just kind of drown out everything. So again, these are the Bluedio HD 4.1 Bluetooth ear, you know, headset, you know, headphones. I really like these guys. Again, links in the description, and I will catch you guys in the next tech review. If you guys like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my page, and I will keep doing these for you. So thanks again, guys. See you next time.